This video from Sam4S, we're taking a look at tax rate programming on the ER-900 series of registers. So in this video I'm using the 940, but the process will be the same across the range. What I'm going to do in this video is set tax rate 1 to be 20% add-in and tax rate 2 to be 5% add-in. They're the standard tax rates in the UK where I am, so you don't have to use those percentages exactly, but following this video and page 87 of the manual should point you in the right direction. When I say add in tax, that means if I sell something for £1 through my register, the pound I put into the till is inclusive of any tax. You can have it set to add on so that when you ring £1 through the till it then adds the tax on. I'm not going to do that, but I'll explain during the course of this video how you would set that up. So the key page of the manual for tax programming, or tax rate programming at least, is page 87, and I've got a copy printed out in front of me, in front of you on the till. So the first thing we do is, as with all programming, turn the metal key marked P round to the program mode. We then type in 50 on the number keypad here and press subtotal. So this takes us into tax rate programming. The next thing we need to do is tell the till which tax rate we're programming. You have up to 4 tax rates on these machines. So to program tax rate 1, you press 1 and then the quantity to time button here, and it confirms that you're programming tax rate 1. You now type in a long code which starts with the tax rate. So I'm getting this information from the flowchart at the bottom, so you have to enter the decimal point. So mine's going to be 20.000, and then I've got tax type and GST info. My tax type is going to be this one, so the tax percentage is value added tax, so it's inclusive in the sale, so that's going to be 2. If you want the normal add-on tax, that's 0. But when I type it in it should make sense. So because my tax rate's 20, it's 20.000, so that's the rate. And then the tax type, mine is 20 because I don't use GST, and I'm 2 here. And then subtotal, you get a little printout confirming what you've done. I'll press cash to end the programming. You got tax 1 at 20%, VAT at 20%. Now I'm going to program tax rate 2 on the machine to be 5%. So again, we're already in program mode, so it's 50, subtotal, tax rate programming. For tax rate 2 it's 2, followed by the quantity time button, and then my code this time will be 05.000. Again, for me it's 20 because mine is a VAT, it's inclusive in the total. 20 subtotal cash, and then my 2 tax rates set up, so I'll get a little printout again confirming tax 2 is at 5%. What I'll do, I'll just show you, I'll put tax rate 3 as an add-on tax, just to show you what prints out. So again it's 50 subtotal, tax rate 3, quantity time, and then let's say it's 6%, so 06.000, and then now I want mine to be a percentage added on, so it's 0 subtotal cash. Okay, that prints out slightly differently. It's tax-free add-on at 6%. So what that means is when I apply that to a sale, it'll add 6% on to the sale amount, whereas on my other ones, when I sell the items, the price I'm ringing in includes the tax. Okay, so just a warning, obviously you're responsible for your accurate tax collection, I guess you'd say. So when you finish programming your tax on the till, it's always advisable to run a few test sales on different products that are at different tax rates and just make sure everything's adding up correctly before you go live. So now that's step 1 of tax programming on the 900s. The next couple of videos I've done, the one you watch will depend on how you're setting your till up. So the next video I'll do will show you how to apply those tax rates, those different tax rates to your different PLUs on the machine, and then I'll do another one showing you how you can have a tax shift button so that it changes the tax or it adds the tax on manually. Okay, so those videos will be appearing on screen now, so I recommend checking those out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sam4shelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.